If you're in the rattan export game out of Guangxi, Vietnam is kinda unavoidable. Most of our water hyacinth orders go to factories over there. Plenty of raw materials, decent prices, and the cost performance is solid. This trip was to Hanoi to inspect a batch of water hyacinth square trays with lace trim for Walmart. Bro led the team and handled all the technical stuff. His apprentice Chi, who'd been to Vietnam a few times before, was in charge of recording the inspection data this time.
明天就全部 free 了。
今天，
然后第二个方案就是明天早上再去一趟赌场。
今天所有的全部搞完。
The factory QC picked us up and got us to the place. By then, it was already noon. We just had some instant noodles in the office to get by, then jumped right into the inspection. Walmart's inspection process is super detailed, so we had to be extra tight on every step. Bro's been in this trade for years, so he oversaw quality and details. Pretty much all our QC folks were trained by him.
然后先验货这些工厂的工人要帮我们把这些样品、这些货物拿出去，然后我们待会在外面看得清楚，外面有方便。
20，啊，
还没接，เขาđang ra ngoài kia rồi.
Cứ mang tiếp đi. 20. 20 cái này nữa nhé.
20 cái này nữa.
Em gọi các bạn. 30. 30. Ok.
这款产品主要是看它的那些毛刺摸起来多不多，然后的话看它的那些藤啊，有那些红斑或者是那些霉，有没有那些特别多、特别明显的，就看它版型正不正。就像这些就是需要修的。
After going through everything, the numbers were even more stable than we expected. A few minor issues here and there, but nothing major. We went over them with the factory and quickly agreed on fixes. Super efficient, almost touching. When we wrapped up, the QC packed us 2 big coconuts. That coconut water was refreshing, just like how we felt at that moment. Honestly, we don't overthink the emotional stuff about doing production in Vietnam. As long as cost, efficiency, and quality control hold up, this direction works. Alright, I'm Dojin, just a plain rattan export gal. See you next time!